MacBook Pro A2141 motherboard, and this motherboard has come to me for repair. See, SSD line is shorted to the ground. We connect multimeter to the ground, and this is a 2.5 volt line. See, 2.5 volt line is shorted to the ground, direct shorted to the ground. That means the SSD is shorted. This is a 512 SSD. There is a 224 SSD and one side SSD, 5 SSD. We have to replace the SSD and SSD controller also. This SSD controller is burned. See in microscope, SSD controller also burned. So we have to replace this all SSD and this controller also, and let's repair the MacBook. This is model of MacBook Pro 16-inch A2141. Thank you.